Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of searching domicile without witnesses. Searching domicile without witnesses. The crime of searching domicile without witnesses is governed by Article 130 of the Revised Penal Code. Under Article 130, the crime is committed by public officer or employee who, in cases where a search is proper, shall search the domicile, papers, or other belongings of any person in the absence of the latter, any member of his family, or in their default, without the presence of two witnesses residing in the same locality. Ito ay isang krimen na ginagawa ng opisyal o empleyado ng gobyerno. Itong opisyal na ito ay may hawak na valid search warrant. Nung sinerve niya yung search warrant, wala yung may-ari o ibang nakatira o walang dalawang saksi mula sa komunidad. From Article 130, we can now enumerate the elements of the crime. To wit, first, offender is a public officer or employee. Second, he is armed with search warrant legally procured. Third, he searches the domicile, papers, or other belongings of any person. Take note, the papers or other belongings must be in the dwelling of the owner at the time of the search is made. Fourth, owner or any member of his family or two witnesses residing in the same locality are not present. Basically, itong crime na to ay nagagawa pag walang witnesses sa pagpapatupad ng search warrant. Take note also that this crime is committed in domiciles and not in any other place. Sino nga ba itong mga witnesses? First, homeowner. Second, members of the family of sufficient age and discretion. Kasama po dito ang mga household helpers. Third, responsible members of the community. Take note, may order of hierarchy po ito. Pag meron po yung homeowner, siya po ang magwi-witness. Hindi na natin kailangan si number 2 and 3. Pag wala si homeowner, ang magwi-witness ay members of the family of sufficient age and discretion at hindi na kailangan si number 3. Pag wala po ang number 1 and 2, dyan lang po papasok si number 3. Hindi po si law enforcement agent ang mamimili kung sino ang magwi-witness. Take note, even if the occupants were present in the house but they were not allowed to witness the search of individual rooms, the search is illegal and the articles seized are inadmissible in evidence. So habang nagsisearch yung law enforcement agent, dapat nakikita yon ng mga witnesses. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.